So we're in Clovis, California. We're just going to replace a cartridge here. This is the Kohler, the GP 876851, and so it's got a pressure balancing unit and then a cap. So there's your one of the old components right there, and of course the old PBU. New stuff sitting out here, so we're going to set that in just a minute. But what we wanted to do is show you a picture when you had your remodel done. All of this tile was surrounding the components. Where's the ring? This ring right here, this is what actually mounts these components back in there, the PBU and the control cap. This holds it in place, and they had tiled over it. So we'd let you know, the homeowner know that we needed to tap some of the, break some of this tile out. You can see the jagged edge along here. So we had to tap some out and get this all clear, which we did. You can see a little hairline fracture in this tile, and it's great because it's behind the cover plate and it stopped. It didn't go to the next tile and spread. So you're in good shape, which is fine. The only other concern we had was this tub spout, which is right here. If you go to grab it, it moves back and forth. You can hear that and see it. And up and down. So it doesn't really feel like it's fastened very well. I just don't know. What I would say is just be gentle with it. Don't use it a lot. If this starts to function with difficulty, replace the whole thing. But don't use this to grab, to stand up, or just don't mess with it too much. If you treat it nice, it'll probably just stay in place. The only way to repair it is from the back side of the wall. There's a bathroom back here. The toilet sits right in the corner. So you have to pull the toilet, open up the wall, get this strapped, and then, you have a drywall repair, tape texture paint. And so I don't recommend that. I just recommend, being gentle with that, and you should be in good shape. Outside of that, this inspection is done.